Meet the Peter Pan of the animal kingdom, the axolotl. Unlike most amphibians, this smiling little creature never grows up. Instead of moving to land, the axolotl keeps its feathery gills and lives entirely underwater for its whole life. But that's not even its craziest superpower. If an axolotl loses a leg, a piece of its heart, or even parts of its brain, it just grows them right back. Perfectly regeneration in a matter of weeks, without a single scar. Scientists are actively studying their magical DNA, hoping to unlock the secrets to human regeneration one day. Unfortunately, while they thrive in aquariums worldwide, they are critically endangered in their natural habitat in Mexico. Subscribe for more incredible animal facts.